Here is another example of a whole number in base 12, and we have to convert this to base 10. Let's solve. Solution. Let's write out our number. 10e base 12. Now the first thing is to number the digits, starting from the last digits from 0. That is, we have 0, 1, 2. And the next step is to take the first digits, which we have here as 1, multiply by the base 12, raised to the power of the numbering 2, plus the next digit 0, multiplied by the base 12, raised to the power of the numbering 1, plus the next digit e, and e in the base 12 constant represents digit 11. So we have 11 multiplied by the base 12, raised to the power of 0 that we'll have for that digit. Now we'll simplify further. 1 multiplied by 12 raised to the power of 2. What does that mean? Let's do it here. 12 raised to the power of 2. That means 12 is multiplying itself in 2 places. That is 12 times 12. 1, 2. And 12 times 12 gives us 144. So we have 144 there. Plus 0 multiplied by 12 raised to the power of 1. That's just 12. Plus 11 multiplied by 12 raised to the power of 0, 1. Because anything raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. 1 times 144, we have 144. Plus 0 multiplied by 12, we have 0. Plus 11 multiplied by 1, we have 11. Equals 144 plus 0, that's the 144, plus 11. Our 144 plus 11 gives us 155. Base 10. That means 10e base 12 is the same thing as having 155 base 10. And that's how to convert whole number in base 12 to base 10. Thank you.